Hey guys, it's Fed again from Fed's Tech Hub. So just like last year Note 4 Pro, Infinix is at it again with the Note 5 Stylus. The main idea or highlight here is the X Pen. Ability to take down notes and draw with the stylus is an interesting concept right inside your pocket at any point in time. So in today's video, I'm going to put it through its paces and give you my thoughts on this device. But before we begin, please kindly hit that subscribe button to join the family. And turn on the bell icon too to get notification whenever I post any new video. First thing will have to be the design and build quality. The design is quite similar to that of the Note 4 Pro. Metal build all through. I have to say it feels more premium than the original Note 5. It feels heavy and at the same time it feels solid. I like the port placement and the fingerprint reachability. It is done right here and you can't mistake it with the camera. If you watch the current high-end smartphone, it is geared towards glass and metal build. Without any doubt, it makes it scream more premium than an all-metal body design, but in turn suffers from durability because it is fragile. So in that case, to have a more durable device, I am 100% in with the all-metal design here. The display on the Note 5 Stylus is very pleasing to look at, just like the original Note 5. It's a 1080p display with an 18.9 aspect ratio on a 6-inch display. It is sharp with good color accuracy and very rich in contrast with better viewing angles. Playing some light games and browsing the web and consuming media content is very enjoyable on this display. So there is no complaint or whatsoever on the display here. Now let's talk pure performance. This is an Android One device. And trust me, the experience is similar to that of the Note 5 or marginally better. It is very smooth, app launch is very fast, multitasking is quick, browsing the web is smooth, and light gaming is marginally better too. It houses the same CPU on the Note 5, which is an octa-core CPU clocked at 2.0 GHz, but this time it is paired with a 4GB of RAM and a 32GB of internal storage. Though there is a variant with the 64GB of internal storage. Overall, the performance is very okay. Jumping into the main highlights of this phone, which is the X Pen, I have to give Infinix an edge for what they've done here. Though I have to quickly admit that the pen experience isn't as good or even close to that of the Samsung Note series, which Infinix is taking a page from, but it is still very useful and usable. I like the tactile feedback that you get when taking the pen off the device and the fact that it automatically pops up the X Pen menu with a simple and intuitive user interface. The rubber tip on the X Pen isn't that great, so when you're drawing, it doesn't feel natural, which is expected, but you lose some pen stroke when drawing or writing. It requires you to add little pressure to the pen when pointing down on the glass surface. The truth is that it is not a very good drawing tool, but it is good for taking down notes, although it will make you a quick note taker. I also like the fact that when you're drawing or taking down notes, it doesn't accept input from your fingers, which is nice and thoughtful. My take on the X Pen is that this is a version 2.0 from Infinix, and they are still infants on this regard. There's plenty of areas to improve upon, especially the latency of the pen and the sensitivity between the glass and the pen. I believe it took Samsung many attempts before they could perfect their pen experience on their Note series, and I expect same from Infinix. All in all, it is a nice feature to have and is still very useful. Next up is the camera. On the back of the device houses a 16MP rear camera with an f1.8 aperture, while the front side uses the same 16MP low light selfie camera found on the original Note 5. Just like the Note 5, it takes good looking images with good contrast and they are natural looking too. And the selfie camera is decent as well too. I'm also glad that Infinix has fixed the overexposed selfies of the original Note 5. Battery life is good, but obviously not as enduring like the original Note 5. The 4000 mAh battery should be able to carry you for a full day use. Now this brings us to the end. I like how Infinix priced their device to be very competitive. At 70,000 Naira, it is a fair deal and I highly recommend this device to anyone with a purchase interest. Guys, share your thoughts with me in the comment section below. Leave a like on this video and share the video as well too. And please don't forget to subscribe. And thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.